What's up guys, what is going on? It's your boy Savi Graphics. In this short tutorial I want to show you how to edit a mockup. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll head up to the folder where my mockups files are. So let me edit this. So I'll open it with my WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, your Window Explorer can help you to extract it. So I'll extract it so that I can edit. But before that, you have to open your Photoshop, launch your Photoshop first. Okay, so it's reading the Photoshop format. Alright, it has opened, and then the next thing we are going to do is, first of all, I will hide these titles here. This title, I will hide it. Titles here. You head up to this double click to change text. So I will double click here. Okay, so once you finish editing, you have to save. Okay, so I'll pick up my text to Montserrat Black. That is the font I'm going to use. Montserrat Black. Buy it also. Montserrat Black. Okay, when I hit OK, then I save. So it has finished updating. Right, this is the test right now. So before you can use it for any of your work, you have to hide up the background before you save. When I hide the background here, then I'll save as PNG. So before you can use this thing to work, you will save as PNG. Head up to your file, then you save as. Now that is save as, and the save as, maybe you type in your file name and then you choose PNG. Alright, then you save. That's how to save, and that is how to edit a mockup. If you find this video interesting, kindly like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button and turn up the bell to get notified whenever I release any new video like this. It's your boy Savi Graphics.